What's up, Riders Nation? Today I got a super easy install for the Fat Boy, so let's cue the intro and get to it. Thank you to everyone for watching the videos. Like always, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Hit me in the comments below with anything that you have on your mind. This is a picture of Gene from New Mexico with his 2006 Goldwing. Gene is our first t-shirt giveaway winner and sent me a picture with him wearing the shirt. Congratulations, Gene, and thank you for subscribing, watching, and commenting. Our next t-shirt giveaway will be coming soon. Alright guys, so when I bought the Fat Boy, one of the things that I liked about it was mostly stock. It was 99% stock. So I would be able to do pretty much whatever I wanted on it. One of the things that was immediately a problem was the dash panel. I'm going to try to zoom in as much as possible to show you that the dash panel is aged, it's scratched. I mean, I like it because it says 2003 Fat Boy Anniversary Edition on it. And it has a Harley Davidson logo right there. It was scratched. I don't think the scratches are going to come up on the camera. Yeah, right there. Right on the top are the scratches. And on the lower end here was a piece of leather. Yeah, I can't say I was crazy about the piece of leather. I mean, in its defense, it was 21 years old. 20 years old. It looked terrible. I went searching for a replacement, which was a lot harder than I expected it to be. Harley Davidson sells like a couple plastic pieces. And really, I went to JP Cycles, I went to Dennis Kirk, I went to Revzilla, Googled, oh my God, I Googled myself to death. I could not find something that I liked. And then I found Jokermachines.com. Checked out the website, found exactly what I needed. Got this piece right here, and got this piece right here, which is the lower dash mount. And today, we're gonna, after I find the bolt that I just lost, today, we're gonna install them. And when I say super easy, I mean super easy. It takes longer to take the seat off than it does to install these two pieces, and the difference is gonna be amazing. So you have to uninstall the seat. And on the 03 Fat Boy, there's a bolt in the back, and there's one on each side. So we'll take them off. Then we'll put our dash mount on, our upper dash mount, which is nothing more than taking this nut off, placing it right over the existing mount. Screwing it on. That's it. Upper dash mount installed. Now for the lower dash mount, hardest part of this is going to be doing it one-handed. Guys, I just wanted to point this out. I'm not sure what year Harley Davidson did this. On the '03 Fat Boys, to mount the seat, there's a lip here, like most bikes have. There's also 2 bolts, one on each side here, one back here, and then there's this strap right here. Most of them are easy. These bolts right here, at least for me, sometimes they give me a lot of trouble, like they just did. And I just figured out a trick. If you stick your hand up in there under the fender and push the piece in, it works a lot easier. So maybe I'm an idiot and I should know that already, but just in case I'm not the only idiot and you have an '03 Fat Boy or you have a motorcycle that has all these bolts for the seat, I mean, my Street Glide has 1 bolt and then it hooks into a lip in the front. 1 bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This, with this kind of seat that I need to get rid of because it's a 21-year-old stock seat, but that's a story for another day. With this seat, there's 5 bolts, so it's a pain. So there's a hint, trick, unless I'm the only one that doesn't know it. So let's just check, see how everything works. Works good to me. Looks good. And that's it. So here's the good news. Jokermachines.com. I think it's a beautiful product. It's perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. Looks like it has a very good chrome job. It's super easy to install, and I think it looks great. Here's the bad news. I'll put pictures up over my head. Gives you 2 options. They're the teardrop upper dash mount. That is a whopping $179.95. There's 2 options for the lower mount. Again, I'll put pictures up showing you the options with the prices. And that is a whopping $155.95. I think it's a very good product. And with the lack of options out there, I spent the money and I'm happy I spent the money. So that's it for me for today. I'm going to put some install videos up over my head. So check them out if you like this video. Hell, check them out if you didn't like this video. Until next time, stay safe, live the dream.